In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert images to vector in Figma. Whether you're a design novice or an experienced pro, this simple process will help you maximize your work efficiency and creativity in Figma. So let's dive right in. First, you need to log into your Figma account. If you're not already signed in, head over to the Figma website and enter your credentials. Once you're comfortably inside your Figma workspace, it's time to select the file or project where you want to work on vectorizing your image. If you already have a project open, great. If not, browse through your existing files and choose one or start a new project where you'll convert the image into a vector format. Now let's focus on the image you've chosen for this task. As you can see on my screen, I have an image ready that I want to transform into a neat, scalable vector. Vectorizing will not only give your image a clean and polished look, but also allow it to be enlarged or reduced without losing any detail or clarity. To proceed, navigate to the toolbar at the top and click on the Actions menu. Here, you'll need to find Image Tracer. If you're unfamiliar with this tool, don't worry. It's a feature designed to convert bitmap images into vector graphics. Carefully look for the icon. It's represented by a blue icon with a pen tool on it. Selecting this will open up the image tracing options. Next, click on the button labeled Please Trace. This is the moment where Figma will work its magic, automatically converting your image into vector paths. Depending on the complexity of your image, this might take a moment, but once the tracing is complete, you'll notice that your image has been transformed into a sleek vector. Finally, click and drag the vectorized image onto your artboard. Take a moment to adjust and refine the new vector as needed. You can now freely scale and manipulate it without any loss of quality, making it an ideal resource for further design work or collaboration. That's it. You now have a perfectly vectorized image within Figma. As you can see, converting images to vectors in Figma is a straightforward process that opens up a world of possibilities for your designs. It's a handy tool that every designer should have in their toolkit. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, drop a comment with any questions or suggestions, and subscribe to the channel for more design tips and tutorials. We'll see you in the next video.